My team is uploading videos and links from last year's sessions, so you'll have access to that as well. Amboss sets are here for you to use. If you are using Amboss, they definitely will be advantageous to you. Going back at the course library, go back to library here. Hold on a second. Let me just log out, log back in. Give me 1 second, doctor. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it because I need you guys to be using the QBank videos every day. And if I show you, then I know that I've shown you, so you guys are aware of it. Give me a second. Let me just log back in. Okay, so here we are. When you go to the course library, here, libraries right here, jump in. Everything you have access to is listed one by one here from top to bottom. I get reports every day of access of people using and the progress reports, so I know who's using, who's not every single day. You go to the first section, QBank Video Library, hit the product you guys have access to. If you don't, send me an email and I'll make sure you guys have access. So for example, now farm, if you see at the beginning, we have an Amboss orientation video, how to use first aid for US step 1, the correct way with my QBank videos. Study plan, step 2, 2 or 3 months right here. NBME questions, I have them here. And this follows a sequence, immuno, micro, biochem, and so on. If you scroll all the way down and you go down to, let's say, the next page, all the way to the end, I have farm all the way down. I got farm here, separate section of farm, plus I have NBME style questions before that, hour versus another hour. So you can go there and watch me dissect NBME questions, show you different tricks and strategies. Further down is farm, and I'm moving a lot of the farm videos besides in the individual organ systems. I'm also putting them here for easier access for you all, because I know farm is a way to raise your points overnight. You go one by one, and you give me 6.5 minutes, I'll show you all the HIV drugs, and I'll show you how to learn them, right? Go through each one. I promise you, you'll be able to get points very, very fast. If you don't, it's going to be on you because you need to know these medications, guys. Vanco, vitamins, a lot of vitamins I have here, streptomycin, antiarrhythmics. All that I do is here. And I have loop diuretics. I have anti-diabetics, more anti-diabetics, more anti-diabetics. Why? Because that's important, right? Follow these videos and you will succeed and get points, all right? Kimberly, online community you have access to, Kimberly. So if I show you this, let me show you again. If you're on with me here, you have access. You go back to the library and your login information is provided to you when you first join. The course library, everything is here. So if you go scroll down, this is accessible to you. These are videos I created, 30 questions, high yield immuno microbiochem. You go here, online community. Click this product here, USMLE training, step 1, online community. Click the product, automatically, boom, opens you up to this online community. This community, you have access to everything we do. The videos, meaning the videos are recorded on live sessions, the Amboss set, but to access the QBank videos, you got to go to the actual course library. All right. Any more questions? Reach out to my team, support@usmletrainings.com, or you just come here, click the little button, find my name, send me a direct message. I'm always available, guys. I'm always available. My team is there 24/7. All right.